In the constellation Orion, there is a star that has captivated astronomers for centuries. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star that's much larger and more massive than our Sun, but in recent years Betelgeuse has been acting strangely. It has dimmed significantly and has even begun to vibrate violently. This has led to speculations that this once vibrant star is on the verge of exploding in a supernova. But what if we're actually witnessing the onset of an even more terrifying event? What if Betelgeuse is not about to explode but rather about to collapse in on itself? Join us as we explore the latest research on Betelgeuse and its potential implications for our planet. Through this journey we aim to understand the profound impact Betelgeuse's collapse could have on the future of the universe. Betelgeuse is an enormous star 950 times larger than our Sun and is among the universe's largest. But its size comes with a cost. Stars like this have limited lifespans and Betelgeuse is no exception. It's a ticking time bomb poised to explode, but the exact moment remains a mystery. Situated just 650 light-years away, Betelgeuse has captivated astronomers, shining as one of our closest stars. We marvel at its brilliance, trying to unravel the secrets hidden within its fiery depths, though only 13% of its radiant energy is visible to us. If we could see its full brilliance, it would outshine even Sirius, reigning as the brightest in our night sky. Imagine a colossal star with a radius 764 times that of our Sun, stretching beyond the asteroid belt and almost touching Jupiter. Within this vast realm, Earth, Mars, Mercury, and Venus would be devoured by Betelgeuse's irresistible cosmic allure. But the mysteries don't end there. Every millennium Betelgeuse sheds a solar mass, casting off its celestial remnants in a magnificent display of stellar theatrics. A nebula 250 times larger than the star itself envelops Betelgeuse, shrouding it in an ethereal haze that captivates our gaze. This nebula, stretching 30 astronomical units, lures us into a cosmic dance of wonder, beckoning us to uncover its secrets. Let's journey deeper into the heart of Betelgeuse's creation, where the alchemy of hydrogen fusion ignites, birthing helium in a cosmic explosion. Over time, the star's hydrogen fuel dwindles and a celestial metamorphosis ensues. Helium intertwines with carbon, unleashing a radiance that cascades through the cosmos. But even this grand fusion has its limits. As neon merges with iron, an astonishing transformation occurs. The star's gravity, unleashed by the absence of energy release, triggers an imminent collapse, propelling Betelgeuse toward a fate both awe-inspiring and cataclysmic: a supernova explosion. In the realm of cosmic phenomena, supernovae reign supreme, and Betelgeuse is no exception. With the energy of 10 billion suns, this colossal celestial entity unleashes a force that resonates throughout the cosmos, leaving us in awe of its unimaginable might. Throughout the ages, stars undergo a mesmerizing transformation, transitioning from the vibrant blues of youth to the fiery reds of maturity. During the 2nd century BC, Chinese stargazers made an intriguing observation, noting Betelgeuse's distinct yellow hue that set it apart from the celestial tapestry. As the centuries unfolded, the baton of observation passed to the keen eyes of Greco-Roman astronomer Ptolemy in the middle of the 2nd century AD. In his meticulous records, he described Betelgeuse as having an orangish or ruddy appearance, a characteristic that still captivates our attention to this day. This consistent coloration across different civilizations, including medieval observers in the Middle East, adds to the intrigue surrounding Betelgeuse. The tale of Betelgeuse takes another twist as we dive deeper into its enigmatic behavior. The star surprised scientists in 2019 when it suddenly dimmed in brightness. Scientists thought that a large cloud of dust released from the star's surface blocked our view of it. However, the origin of the cloud is still unclear. Some scientists think that a large object like a planet might have disturbed the surface of the star or even been swallowed by it. In recent months, Betelgeuse has become almost 50% brighter than its average brightness. This is unexpected because stars usually become dimmer as they age. Scientists are not sure what caused this sudden increase in brightness. However, they know that star brightness can change for a variety of reasons. For example, some stars go through cycles of bright and dim phases. The star Mira is known as the star of wonder because it changes in brightness. It expands and contracts regularly, which changes the amount of light it emits. This is a common occurrence with many stars, including Algol and about 30 other stars that can be seen in the night sky without a telescope. Deep within the heart of Betelgeuse, a seismic shift was occurring. The expulsion of scorching material launched into space created an ethereal dust cloud of magnificent proportions. This celestial dust cloak veiled a significant portion of Betelgeuse's radiant light, transforming it from a dazzling beacon to a subdued luminary in the night sky. Betelgeuse's brightness dipped to levels unimaginable. Once counted among the 10 brightest stars, it now dimmed, ranking lower than the 20th brightest. In recent months, Betelgeuse defied all expectations, defying the norms of stellar behavior. Scientists and stargazers around the globe have been captivated by this mesmerizing cosmic dance. Theories abound attempting to unravel the enigma of Betelgeuse's extraordinary behavior. Some speculate that massive sunspots or dust clouds are the culprits behind its dramatic fluctuations, while others ponder the possibility of coinciding cycles. Their research exposes the incredible notion that Betelgeuse's supernova explosion has already occurred. Yes, you heard that right. While conservative estimates projected its supernova event to be hundreds of thousands of years away, the evidence now suggests a different story. The last observed supernova in our galaxy, Kepler's supernova, graced the heavens centuries ago. Researchers have proposed a model suggesting that Betelgeuse is in the late stage of carbon burning, indicating it may be on the brink of a magnificent explosion. This positions it as a strong contender for the next anticipated supernova event in our Milky Way galaxy. Like a grand finale in the cosmic symphony, Betelgeuse stands as a prominent contender for the next stellar supernova within our beloved Milky Way. However, understanding Betelgeuse is like solving a puzzle with conflicting observations. There are indications of material ejections and subsequent recovery leaning towards a mass ejection event, although smaller in scale compared to our Sun. But here's the twist: supernovae are real phenomena too. We witnessed one in a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way in 1987. So while our estimates for Betelgeuse's explosion timing may be uncertain, it's not time to plan a vacation around it just yet. The challenge lies in the current difficulty of observing Betelgeuse. Scientists have been studying Betelgeuse for centuries, and they have found that it has changed in brightness over time. This suggests that the star is aging and could go supernova soon. However, there is not enough evidence to say for sure when this will happen. A supernova is a very bright explosion that happens when a star dies. It is not harmful to life on Earth, and it is safe to watch from Earth with the naked eye. The brightness of a supernova depends on the size of the star that explodes. Betelgeuse is a very large star, so its supernova would be very bright. It would be about as bright as a half-moon and visible during the daytime. The brightness of a supernova would also be a challenge for astronomers. The supernova would be so bright that it would make it difficult to see other stars and planets, making it challenging for astronomers to study the night sky. One possibility is that Betelgeuse swallowed a large object such as another star in the past. This could have sped up the star's evolution and made it more likely to go supernova. A recent paper found something new about Betelgeuse's brightness cycles. The paper revealed that the longest period, which is 2,200 days long, could be the main cycle for Betelgeuse's pulsations. If this is the case, then the star's brightness could change significantly in the future. This is still just a hypothesis, and more research is needed to confirm it. However, it is an exciting development that could help us better understand Betelgeuse and its future. Overall, the brightness of a supernova would be a mixed blessing. It would be a beautiful and exciting event to witness, but it would also be a challenge for astronomers and animals. What makes Betelgeuse an astronomical gem is not just its potential to go supernova, but the unique opportunity it presents. This colossal star, with its remarkable size and proximity, grants us the privilege of capturing its essence in breathtaking detail. Unlike distant twinkling points of light, Betelgeuse reveals itself as a radiant disk through the lens of our telescopes. It invites us to witness its luminous variations and grasp the subtle dance of its light as it teases us with its hidden secrets. But here's where things get even more fascinating: the supernova display won't vanish quickly. No, it will linger in our night sky for several years, gradually fading away like a star in the distance. Yet there may be moments of resurgence, a burst of renewed brilliance before its light softly dissipates, bidding farewell to its place in the constellation Orion. While the supernova poses no direct threat to life on Earth, it holds the potential to unleash a staggering burst of cosmic rays, a stream of energetic particles that could find their way to our solar system.